One of the most popular requests I get in the Kitchen Guy mailbox is for veal marsala. So here it is. I'm going to start with some veal scallops and use the spiky end of the meat mallet to tenderize them. You do that on both sides, and then I'll salt and pepper them and then dredge them in flour and set them aside. I'm sauteing some mushrooms in butter until they give up most of their juices. Now I'll add some minced garlic and some chopped parsley. Let that cook a little bit, then I'll remove it to a plate and wipe out the pan. I melted some butter with some olive oil in a pan. Now I'll saute the veal scallops on about a minute to a minute and a half on each side, and then I'll remove them to a plate, keep them warm, covered with foil. Now I'll add 2/3 of a cup of Marsala wine and scrape up all those delicious brown bits on the bottom of the pan. I'll also add a cup of reduced beef broth and then season it with some oregano and thyme. Add back the mushrooms, bring the sauce to a boil and let it thicken, and then we'll pour it over the veal. And there you have the Italian restaurant classic right in your own home kitchen. Now I'll send you this recipe if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. Enjoy that veal marsala. I'll see you next time.